Hey everyone, today we will see how you can check who visited your Instagram account. So first of all, you can go ahead and open the Instagram app. Then you have to click on your profile picture on the bottom right. Now you have to make sure your professional account is enabled, otherwise you won't see this professional dashboard option. So once you've made sure of that, you can go ahead and click it. And this will tell you a lot of statistics about your account, like how many people have visited your account, how many followers you've gained, how many accounts you've engaged with, and all of that information. But this will not tell you who has visited your account specifically. So to do that, we're going to use a little trick. So you have to back out of Instagram and you have to open any browser. I'll be using Google Chrome here. And you have to search Instagram account visitor tracker. So as you can see right here, it says Influxy is an app that you can use to check exactly who has visited your Instagram account. But you have to be careful while using third-party apps because these are not official apps by Instagram. And I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.